This is Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some almond marzipan fudge truffles. For the marzipan base, we're going to be using some condensed milk, almond flour, and almond extract. And there's different ways to finish them, either with cocoa powder, with crushed almonds, chocolate sprinkles, or dipped in some melted dark chocolate. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. To start, add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk to a medium-sized pan. Then, sieve 2 cups of almond flour into the pan. Traditionally, marzipan is made with almond flour and confectioners sugar, but in this case, we're using condensed milk instead. Mix the almond flour and condensed milk until well incorporated. Add 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Place the pan over medium heat. Keep stirring it with a wooden spoon or spatula until the mixture firms up. Once the mixture starts to come together as a ball that doesn't run, it is ready. Line an 8x8 dish with parchment paper. Then, transfer the marzipan mixture into the dish and flatten it with the spatula. Refrigerate the marzipan for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Once the marzipan is cooled, remove it from the fridge and cut it into small rectangles. Now, you can either eat it as it is or finish it in a few different ways. One way is to dust the small bars with some cocoa powder. Another way is to shape them into balls, and those can be then rolled on some cocoa powder. Another fun way is to roll and cover them with some chocolate sprinkles. They can also be finished with some crushed toasted almonds. Or you can also melt some semi-sweet dark chocolate and dip the marzipan balls in it. To melt the chocolate, either use a double broiler or a microwave. If using a microwave, heat the chocolate in increments of 30 seconds, mixing it between each interval until melted. Dip the marzipan into the chocolate, and then, using a fork, let the excess chocolate run. Then, transfer the truffles onto some parchment paper. I also like to top them with some almond slices. Refrigerate the chocolate-covered marzipan for 15 to 20 minutes until the chocolate is set. Then, place them into some paper candy cups. And that is it, guys. A few different ways of making some fun almond marzipan fudge truffles. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.